Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this one. This is all about eBay. eBay's 25th years online. Crazy, right? 25th anniversary. They can't do anything, obviously, because it's crazy corona, but it's all virtual this year. So they sent everybody who registered early a gift box, doing an unboxing of this awesome gift box from eBay. And let's take a look at it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate that. Let's get into the video. Well, thanks for tuning into this one, guys. Appreciate you tuning into your review channel once more. So this is a special package that I received from eBay. eBay is having a 25th anniversary. They've been basically on the platform for 25 years. And unfortunately, because of what's going on with COVID this year, they cannot do an event in either Las Vegas or California or wherever they would do something like that. So unfortunately, it's a virtual one. So anybody whoever has an account with eBay, you did an early registration for this big online virtual bash that actually is tomorrow of September. So September 24th, tomorrow is September 25th. And that is the online big bash. But they send me this in the mail. I just got this in the mail today, just in time for tomorrow. So this is the unboxing of this swag box deal they sent to anybody who registered early, and I did make a video of it, and I hope you did your registration too, and I hope you got your swag. So I saw a couple other videos online, and they had bags. So this is a box, so I'm not sure if there's something different in this box, or they sent me something a little different. So we're just going to do a quick opening and unboxing of the eBay 25th anniversary swag gifts they sent us. If you've been selling on eBay at all, you would have saw the notification. If not, if you went online, you would have saw my video. And please don't forget to like. Hey guys, just want to take a moment right here just to thank you very much for watching my video. I do appreciate it very much. Please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. It does help support my channel. Let's get back into the video. Hope you're enjoying. Share and subscribe so you can see more notifications and more things that come out when I do special things like this. So the first thing I'm seeing is a very cool wrapped tissue. Okay, eBay tissue. Okay, all kinds of stuff in here. I'm not sure if everybody got the same stuff or not. I don't know what everybody got. So let's just take it out of the bag here. It's pretty stuffed. Here's the box, and here's the tissue. So let's see what eBay sent us. So they got really some cool eBay 25 years sticker on here, so hopefully you can see that. And let's take a look and pull one thing out and see what we have. And the first thing we have is a very cool, wow, like a mini tumbler. Check this out. That's cool, I like that. Little tumbler, stainless steel inside, eBay branded, of course. Very, very nice. That's actually nice. I don't think I saw anybody else get this at all, but this is a nice thing. I'm not sure if you got this at all. Well, tell me what you got in your special eBay box bundle thing that you got in the mail. Let's see what you got. This is, so far we have a very cool, I love this, actually it's very sharp looking. It's a very big shot glass. So that's one thing. And that's actually very nice. I'm surprised about that. That's nice. I like that. That is very cool. And we have 25-year celebration, selling the magic original, let's see, resilient and adventurous. These are some pins, so hopefully you can see these cool pins that eBay sent us. I'm not sure if you got these pins or not, but let me know below again in the comment what you got in the mail from eBay. Maybe everybody got something a little different. You never know. And we have get excited for the eBay 20th. Hopefully you can see this. eBay 25th anniversary celebration, September 25th, 2020, starting at 12 p.m., 3 p.m. Pacific. So this is a little bit of the plan, our party plan. They have a 12 o'clock start, that's the pre-party. 1 p.m. is the main event, and then 2 o'clock is the after party. So if you've ever been to an eBay event, okay, they have some awesome, back in the day, they've had some awesome events. I mean, just crazy, all out, I mean, parties, open bar, all the food you can eat, just crazy. So this is nothing quite like that, but this is actually a very nice little thing that they're doing for us, because we are their customers. Like the other platforms that are out there, they do nothing for us besides give us a big fat bill. At least eBay does try to help us out and support us. And let's see what else is in here. More goodies. Okay, so we have a bunch of cool stuff. Let's take a look here. So there's 25th stickers on here. Like wrapping up a gift for somebody. There's all kinds of promotional cool stickers in here and promotional materials and 25 years of, these are all stickers that you can put on your box, and so if you're shipping out a nice package to somebody, you can ship out these, and they give you some thank you cards, so they sell these as well. So if you do sell online on eBay, you can actually order these, and you also, if you have a subscription, you can get some, this give you so much, $50 every 6 months, I believe, or 3 months towards material. So these are like thank you cards. You can put into the box, all different kind of color ones. Okay, I'll say thank you. That's really nice. I think this is a really nice, honestly, a very nice bundle that they sent, and also these are the stickers, and that's in here as well. And don't forget, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It does help me out quite a bit. It does help support my channel so I can keep doing these videos to help you and inform you when things are happening. So please don't forget to like, share, and definitely please subscribe. And the last thing in this is an awesome eBay shirt. And everybody who's registered definitely got an eBay shirt for sure. Let's take this out of the bag and let's take a look at it. I love the swag. So that's all here. This is just a piece of tissue. So we'll move that out of the way. Awesome shirt. Let's see. And it says on it, eBay 25. It says it right here. And on the back of the shirt, 25 years, hopefully you can see this, let me lay this out. 25 years of sellers being everything. That says it all right there. 25 years of sellers being everything. So eBay definitely appreciates us. They really appreciate what we do for the community, and it shows. So no one else is going to give you free swag. No one else is going to support you like eBay does. Any questions or any comments, leave below. If you have any questions regarding selling on eBay, if you have any, check out all my tips and all my other videos on the description about all types of video, about video on eBay and selling on eBay, and just tips and ideas and tricks and things like that. And if you have any questions or any comments, or if you're having some problems, let me know, and I will definitely help you out. Okay, guys, that's it for me. This is what eBay sent me in the box. So hopefully you got your box. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to write down in the comment what you got in your box. And I'll see you tomorrow online. As always, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you at the next review.